was a ritual group and speaks a scripted part. So there was a literate dimension to this oral ritual. Well, part of what was invented when tragedy was invented by the Greeks was theater. I mean, it wasn't just a form, tragedy, but also an institutional practice, theater. And theater didn't only refer to the performance, but it also referred to the place. The stage, the seating arrangement in the kind of bowl-like Colosseum area. One of the extraordinary things about that theater is the way it focused the attention of the people. So take the area of Athens. This was an area settled by 12 tribes, but the experience of tragedy, the experience of literacy in the context of this city that was coming into shape, was that over time people who lived in the area and attended these festivals began to experience themselves not as members of this or that tribe, but as citizens of Athens. They experienced themselves in a literate way, as a different kind of group. Well, what the scholars of literacy have said is that this experience continued, say, in the print era. It was print that made possible the nation state, and we talked about this before, the way in which the high literate authors created the native written languages of the European nations, the way in which journalism then expanded this vernacular speech to writing to the general population, the way in which this literacy made it possible to hold together Germany, Spain, France, ultimately the United States. Well, the assumption in electracy is that once again, both the experience of subject and the collective understanding of the group is changing. So electric people will not experience subjectivity as selfhood, and nor will they be organized in the form of nation states. This is what the theory predicts will happen. So the position of electracy, the position of choreography in this, is that, well, what will we become? This is not determined. It's not clear what forms of government, what forms of politics, what forms of individual behavior naturally are entailed by the new technologies. There's no determinism of that sort. It remains to be invented, and there's competing different possibilities in this situation. So one of the things we're suggesting, and here's where theoria comes in, which is this combination of tourism and theory, is that there could be a very democratic process in which the internet participates